Imagine standing on Earth and looking at a rock that seems to ignore the laws of nature. Scientists were stunned when they realized our planet contains places that appear impossible. Mountains balanced on tiny pedestals, glowing caves, boiling rivers, and giant stones that move completely on their own. The truth turned out to be far stranger than expected. Today, we're counting down 20 geological wonders that shouldn't exist and uncovering the extraordinary science that makes each one real. At number 20 is Sailing Stones, Death Valley, California. For decades, massive rocks left mysterious trails across the dry desert floor without anyone seeing them move. Many believed invisible forces were responsible. Researchers made an extraordinary discovery when hidden winter ice, shallow water, and gentle winds combined to slowly push the stones across the surface, solving one of geology's most famous mysteries. At number 19 is the Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. Thousands of nearly perfect hexagonal basalt columns look as if they were carved by an ancient civilization. Scientists discovered these remarkable shapes formed naturally around 60 million years ago as thick lava cooled and cracked into geometric patterns. At number 18 lies the Richat structure in the Sahara Desert. From the ground, it appears as ordinary hills, but from space, it resembles a gigantic blue eye staring back at Earth. For years, researchers suspected it was an impact crater. The truth turned out to be far stranger than expected. It formed through millions of years of uplift and erosion, exposing ancient circular rock layers. At number 17 stands the Wave, Arizona. Flowing sandstone resembles frozen ocean waves. Scientists were amazed to discover these curves were sculpted over nearly 190 million years by shifting desert dunes that later hardened into rock before erosion revealed their incredible patterns. At number 16 is Pamukkale, Turkey. Brilliant white terraces look like frozen waterfalls made from snow. Instead, warm mineral-rich water continuously deposits calcium carbonate, slowly building dazzling natural pools over thousands of years. At number 15 is the Stone Forest of Madagascar. Razor-sharp limestone towers rise like a city of stone knives. Researchers found that slightly acidic rainwater dissolved softer rock for millions of years, leaving behind one of Earth's most dangerous natural landscapes. At number 14 is the Chocolate Hills of the Philippines. More than 1,000 nearly identical hills cover the landscape with astonishing symmetry. Scientists discovered they formed from ancient coral limestone that was slowly shaped by rainfall and erosion into almost perfectly rounded domes. At number 13 flies the Fly Geyser in Nevada. Its colorful terraces appear almost alien. Surprisingly, this geological wonder began after a human drilling accident released hot geothermal water, allowing minerals and heat-loving algae to build the vibrant structure still growing today. At number 12 comes the Marble Caves of Chile. Their swirling blue walls seem painted by an artist. In reality, thousands of years of glacial lake water gently carved solid marble into smooth chambers that constantly change color with the sunlight. And finally, at number 11, we reach the Moeraki Boulders of New Zealand. These enormous spherical rocks look like giant eggs scattered across the beach. Scientists were stunned to learn they slowly formed inside ancient seabed sediments, growing mineral layer by mineral layer over millions of years before erosion exposed them to the world. And these incredible formations are only the beginning. The geological wonders ahead become even more unbelievable, including a mountain that burns from the inside, a river that boils naturally, and crystal caves so enormous they seem impossible to exist beneath our feet. At number 10 is Mount Erebus, Antarctica. Hidden beneath one of the coldest places on Earth burns a rare permanent lava lake. Scientists were stunned that molten rock could remain exposed year after year despite temperatures far below freezing. Deep volcanic heat constantly feeds the lake, creating one of the planet's most unusual volcanoes. At number 9 is the boiling river of the Amazon, Peru. Water here reaches temperatures hot enough to seriously burn living creatures. Many believed a nearby volcano had to be responsible. Researchers made an extraordinary discovery. The heat comes from deep groundwater rising through faults in Earth's crust, proving volcanic activity isn't always required. At number 8 is the Crystal Cave of Nica, Mexico. Gigantic gypsum crystals stretch over 11 meters, making people look tiny beside them. The truth turned out to be far stranger than expected. For hundreds of thousands of years, extremely hot, mineral-rich water remained at just the right temperature, allowing the crystals to grow to unbelievable sizes. At number 6 stands Devil's Tower, Wyoming. Rising dramatically from the plains, its towering columns inspired countless legends. Scientists discovered it formed when molten magma cooled slowly underground, creating remarkable vertical columns that were later exposed as surrounding rock eroded away. At number 5 is Socotra Island, Yemen. Its bizarre limestone landscapes and isolated geology helped create an environment where life evolved in extraordinary ways. The island's long separation from surrounding continents turned it into one of Earth's most unique geological laboratories. At number 4 is Rainbow Mountain, Peru. Brilliant bands of red, yellow, green, and turquoise cover its slopes as though painted by hand. Researchers found these stunning colors come from different mineral layers that formed over millions of years before tectonic uplift exposed them high in the Andes. At number 3 is the Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. Although created by a human drilling accident, the massive burning crater sits above a remarkable natural gas reservoir. It has burned continuously for decades, revealing the enormous geological energy hidden beneath Earth's surface. At number 2 is the Blue Hole of Belize. From above, it appears as a nearly perfect dark circle in the ocean. During the last ice age, it was a dry limestone cave system. As sea levels rose, the cave collapsed and flooded, leaving behind one of the world's greatest underwater geological wonders. And at number 1 is Mount Roraima, shared by Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. This ancient tabletop mountain rises almost vertically from the surrounding rainforest, with cliffs reaching hundreds of meters high. Scientists estimate parts of its sandstone are nearly 2 billion years old, making it one of Earth's oldest exposed landscapes. Isolated for millions of years, it preserves a world unlike almost anywhere else on the planet. From rocks that move by themselves to caves filled with giant crystals, from rivers that boil naturally to mountains older than complex life itself, Earth's geology constantly challenges what we think is possible. Scientists continue to make extraordinary discoveries, reminding us that our planet still holds mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The deeper we explore, the stranger and more fascinating the truth becomes. If you enjoyed this journey through Earth's impossible landscapes, don't forget to subscribe to Void Atlas, where every discovery reveals another mystery hidden within our incredible universe.